I'm Yvette G, and I'm a celebrity nail artist here in LA. I've been doing nails for a little over 15 years now. My nail style is definitely a little bit over the top. I love long nails, bling, stilettos. I would definitely say the blingier, the better.
I'm Brittany Tokyo, celebrity nail artist based in LA. I've been doing nails 10 years. My style is colorful, pop, kawaii style.
So we just found out that the theme is 90s, and we only have an hour and 45 minutes to complete the look.
90s theme is so exciting. I love the theme.
Hi, I'm Yvette.
Hi, I'm Brittany.
I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
I've never competed before, so I'm a little nervous with the time. But I'm excited.
Now, let's get started.
Well, good luck. I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So the first thing that came to my mind as soon as I heard the 90s was definitely graffiti. And that's like one of my favorite things aside from bling. I think it's gonna be a little bit hard for me personally because I am definitely a perfectionist and I like to take my time. So we have a little bit of a time crunch here with an hour and 45, but I'm gonna try my best to get as much as I can done.
I don't think about the design, just like what I want. I went with my feeling. いつもだったらお客さんとかクライアントにやるのは90分ぐらいがほとんどだけど、こういうなんか手の込んだデザインとかだと1時間45分って結構タイトって思う。
So I started so far with the base. I did a little outline of like brick vibes. I will be filling in all the white to actually build out the words. And then I'll start adding all the little neon bright colors.
Colorful な感じで右と左違うデザインにしたかったからあえてもう全然違うのにした。
On my other hand, I went a little bit more bubblegum pink, which is, you know, what they would have done back in the day. My drive definitely comes from my mom. When I was around like 15, we had moved to Mexico and my mom wanted me to find something else other than school to keep me occupied and out of trouble. So I decided to do cosmetology.
Right now, I'm making 3D nail art. 学校卒業した後、働きたくないからネイルスクールに行きました。なんかとりあえず働きたくないなって思ってた時に親がうちのママがネイルアーティストになろうっていう本を買ってきてそれからネイルを始めたから親はすごい賛成だと思うしアメリカに一人で行くって言った時は心配してたけど今はすごい喜んでるはず。
Hi.
Can I see your nails?
So these are my nails.
Oh, so cute! Wow.
Graffiti.
Those are all hand painted?
Yes.
Wow, amazing.
So I took a little bit longer, and then on this one, I did more of like 90s style nails.
Oh, love the chain.
Yes, with the little encrusted stones. Let me see yours. I'm excited.
This
of course.
one?
Oh my god, I love
Like
it. Yes.
Lakitte style.
I love it.
Tie.
Hula hoops. We think alike.
Yeah.
I love it. I think my nails came out pretty good. I would have wanted more time. Definitely want to do a little bit more, but I'm pretty happy with them. I like them. I loved Brittany's design. I liked that it was very colorful and all little charms. I was obsessed. I love it.
気に入ってる。かわいい。A little bit heavy. カラフルなのが好きだからもうレインボーな色を全部使ってみた。I think I won. What do you think?
So I really love what I did on my nails today, but I would like to know what you guys think. So if you guys can comment down below and let us know who your favorite was. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.